Hello everyone, look at this Lionel trains and 2026 Volume 2. Cadelo 250 Americans. Let's go! So like this is a habit of the Lennis. Table of contents by diesels and locomotive. Cool. Next. American 250 locomotives. Like these 250 locomotives and celebrate and like this as all force and SD40-2 is SD40-2 really like so for this ay nakalagot so where's cool and like this look at this I have it so very nice okay. Oh, American and America's this I have flag like all new product. So oh wait, this is happening to try soon for categories and American locomotives and CPKC at the Kansas City, Canadian Pacific Kansas City, CPKC Legacy 8044, CPKC and none. So like this is our not shown, so very cool. And BNSF and Willie and Force. Yes. Whoa! I like this is a Norfolk Southern. And America, United States of America, SD7 ACE, Norfolk Southern, Legacy. Step up with not one but 6 tonning. 2. With a big boy trip. Look at blue locomotive is Statue Liberty. So very cool. So like this is Avery and actually and Legacy locomotive. So cool. Next page. American Freedom Train. Says I have the tour official line. So an anniversary Americans for East Line. And look at steam train engines. My vision, my big boy, and oil tenders. So very let's ask. Okay. American Freedom Train Legacy. Okay, so cool. Next page. Oh, American Atlantic. So very this is I have the says new all the habituales. So wait. A train is iconic as a country. It represents as the railroad and have steam trains and gotta be have new tolling and USA Wood Station Sounds Diner Medicine. So new and America's standard features and passengers. Okay, so cool. Okay, so next, I like they have it there. Okay, so very nice. Next, oh, like a SD40-2 and SD70 ACE. Wow, why got a celebration? This I got at a Missouri Pacific and American. Okay, so with this. Oh, I got a BNSF and I have a Burton Northern and got a locomotive production Okay, so what I be in. You gotta have it doing in the boxcar in the Southern Pacific and a Golden Gallo and like at the WB and Kikako North and Western. It is a flatted trailer. CNNW. They're so pretty cool. So I like this is Parasha all says. And this verse the four again says there since a line to okay so he so it's the schools have a that's so far speech. Woo! Look at this! Wow, that is so cool, that is there. And rocky rolling. Look at that, that is so very very nice. Have you steam engines? And this fly at the horse. Could be happy to your trains and celebrate it. So cool. I like a power line. I have this. And the railroad was at the Tuale. Ooh, got a lot of passengers. So cool. Like so pretty cool. Okay, so next. Oh, like this SGP 658 612. Okay. Oh, Illinois Central Gulf. Okay, so Illinois Central Gulf, Lionel SO GP38 GP38 again. Okay, cool. So it is as GP38, so GP38 and I like the steam train engines like her. Okay, next. Oh, independence car boxcars. Okay, let's go to continue.